In today's video, I'm going to teach you why your QuickBooks might not be reconciling and how to fix it. Understanding the reconciliation process is crucial for ensuring your financial records align with your bank statements, which ultimately paves the way for accurate accounting and financial stability. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to tackle these reconciliation roadblocks in QuickBooks. First, head over to your credit card credit. This is where we begin to scrutinize what's been recorded in QuickBooks against what's reflected in your bank account. By accessing this section, you'll be starting your journey of identifying discrepancies. This step sets the foundation for the correction process that will follow. Next, click on Settings. The Settings menu is your gateway to customization, allowing you to manipulate the way information is presented and the features you have at your disposal. It's always a good practice to familiarize yourself with this, as it can give insights into any underlying configuration issues that may contribute to discrepancies. Once you're in Settings, proceed to click on Reconcile. This option is essential. It enables you to directly manage the reconciliation process. By clicking Reconcile, you're telling QuickBooks that you're ready to start matching transactions between your accounts and statements. Now, you'll encounter a prompt to add the following information. This typically includes financial details such as the statement period, ending balance, and any service charges or interest earned. Carefully inputting this information ensures that QuickBooks aligns with your bank's records, laying the groundwork for an accurate reconciliation process. After inputting the information, click on Cash. This step involves selecting the account you're planning to reconcile, typically a bank or credit card account. Choosing the right account here ensures that you're reviewing the correct transactions and balances. The next task is selecting the question which states, which account do you want to reconcile? This is crucial for verifying that you're not mixing transactions from different accounts, which could lead to further reconciliation headaches. Once you've selected the account, it's time to highlight transactions. This ability to highlight individual transactions aids in comparison between what is recorded in QuickBooks and your physical bank statements. Highlighting enables selective inspection, allowing you to pinpoint anomalies or omissions. Once through, repeat the process to ensure you've highlighted all necessary transactions. Thoroughness in this step is key to identifying every difference. Finally, revisit the step to add the information. Confirm that everything aligns properly. At this point, you're in the home stretch of ensuring that your financial data is congruent with your bank records. Navigating through these steps with attention to detail will help you solve many of the common issues leading to reconciliation errors in QuickBooks. Remember, accuracy is paramount in accounting, and reconciling your accounts consistently can prevent small issues from snowballing into larger problems. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide helps you achieve a seamless reconciliation process in QuickBooks.